If your to-do list is gathering more dust than check marks, you're not a failure, you're a work in progress. If your motivation is hiding under your bed, you're not alone. We've all been there, lost in the maze of what now? Look, we've all had those days. The ones where you scroll, snack, and stare at the ceiling, convinced you're just being lazy. But here's the truth. Most of the time, it's not about laziness at all. It's about not knowing where you're headed. Think about it. If you don't have a clear direction, it's like trying to drive with a blindfold on. It's confusing, overwhelming, and honestly a little scary. No wonder you don't want to hit the gas. But being lost? That just means you're in the middle of figuring things out. You're exploring, searching for what makes you tick, and that's totally normal. It's not a flaw. It's a sign you care enough to want something more. So, what can you do? Start small. Try something new, even if it's just a little thing. Like learning how to make a new recipe or taking a walk in a different direction. Be gentle with yourself. Nobody has it all figured out, especially at your age. And remember, you're not alone. Everyone feels lost sometimes, even the people who look like they have it all together. Stay curious, keep exploring, and trust that you'll find your way. Because you're not lazy. You're just on your way to something amazing. And that's a journey worth taking.